So did you know that there is Artemis Tracking App specifically for this moon mission, the Track the Moon mission? You can see all of the events. Pretty cool. Artemis 2 is live. Track all 5 Artemis missions. Artemis Tracker. Artemis 2 live now, which you can still track now. And then there are all these missions which are coming ahead. So Artemis 3, Artemis 4, and Artemis 5. So continuous surface operation and moon base construction. Pretty cool, right? Yearly $20 or lifetime $50 one lifetime. So yeah, but yeah, you need iOS 26.4 or later, and that's what it is. So give it a try.